Hello again, I'm Heather. Here's just another one of our many jobs. Our motorized retractable screens are screens that can be raised or lowered using a motorized mechanism. These screens are typically used to enclose outdoor spaces such as patios, decks, or porches to provide protection from insects, the sun's harmful UV rays, and other outdoor elements. Motorized retractable screens come in a variety of sizes and can be customized to fit any outdoor space. They can be made from materials such as mesh, vinyl, or fabric and are typically installed on a track system that allows them to be raised and lowered with ease. The motorized mechanism that controls the screen can be operated by a remote control, a wall switch, or a smartphone app, providing convenient control for the user. Some motorized retractable screens also come with additional features such as wind sensors, sun sensors, or rain sensors, which can automatically raise or lower the screens depending on the weather conditions. Overall, motorized retractable screens provide an effective and convenient solution for outdoor living spaces, allowing users to enjoy the benefits of the outdoors while being protected from insects, the sun, and other outdoor elements. Thank you for watching.